Welcome to EngTech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create our contact us page, and there is a form we are going to use for it. And this form is a plugin we're also going to use to create this form. We just go straight to the points. So I'm going to hit my menu here. I'm looking for pages, all pages. Click on all pages. Contact us. Hit on contact us page. Alright. This is the page we are going to be working on. You can see it's very empty. So first of all, I think I have some write-up. Let me put some write-up here first. So I'm just going to copy this write-up and put it up there. So the rest we are going to be using plugin. You can see that I'm not using page builder now because I can also do some write-up here. But the page builder is used to structure your website. So for now we can do without page builder because it's just a normal write-up I'm doing here. So this is where I'm going to post. There is a code I'm going to post from the plugin I'm going to download. So let me save this and continue. Let me go to our plugins environment and download the plugin that I'm going to use. Alright, I'll go to my menu, plugins, add new. Alright, I'm going to search for the plugin. I'm going to write contact, or let me say contact us. Let me see. Okay, this is payment form, contact form plugin. So I'm just looking for a good one. Okay, there's a particular one that I know. I think it's called Ninja. Let me just make use of that one. Ninja, I guess. I don't know if I'm correct. Yeah, Ninja form. Yeah, these guys are trying. So let me show you. It has over 900,000 installations. So you know that a lot of people are using WordPress. So only this plugin has 900 installations, 900,000 installations. So I'm going to click on install. I'll hit install. That's going to be installed. Okay. Now hit activate. Right. So let's check for the plugin if that's going to be activated. Ninja form. Yeah, this is it. Ninja form. So what you're going to do now is to go straight to your menu. You can see that the form has already appeared here. This is your Ninja form. So I'm going to click on it. This is the dashboard, add new submission, settings, whatever. So we're going to go straight to add new. You just undo that, not now. Alright. We have different kind of. As you can see, we have different kinds of form here. You can see we have the black form, we collect feedback data, we have delete data request, we have contact us, which is what we are looking for. So I'm going to this event registration. You can use it for different stuff. So I'm going to use this contact us. Alright, so we have name here, we have email, and we have message. This is what we need to collect from them. So this is the default contact form. So you can hit on this plus button to add. You can see that we have date and time, image, radio body list, so paragraph. In order to upload image, you can see that there are different things here, but we don't need any of these. So we don't need them. So I'm going to hit done. So now this, we already have our contact form here. We already have our contact form here, so I'm going to cancel this and go back and collect the code. So once we come back to our contact form, you will discover that there's a form here, contact me. So we just created another one, which is our Niger form too. So without, you don't even need to create any other one, there was already one here. So what we need is just this code, but just in case you don't have anything here, you have to add new and create your contact form. So we'll copy this code, click on copy. So we're going to go back to our page, our contact us page. Go to pages, all pages, hit on contact us. All right. So just scroll down, and here I'm going to paste that code I copied for my contacts plugin. So this is it. So that's the code. So I'm going to hit update. I'm going to update this page. Update. Alright. So we're going to check our website. Alright, we are here. So we're going to check our contact us to see if there's any changes. We'll just wait for it to load. Alright, you can see these are created our contact us. So let me write something here. Let me write my name. I'll just put in email. You can see it has an image checker. If the image is not correct, it will let you know. So I can submit. Contact me, feedback. Okay. So once I hit submit, you can see that it's no longer highlighted. So the admin will receive an email. So this is how you create your contact form. So in our next class, we are going to be looking at how to set up our about us page. It's just a normal write-up and image. You add your image and put some write-up. And that's the easiest part about us. So see you in my next class.